Garner?
Hey YouTube, it's Jay in the house. I'm back again with another video. Today I have my little sissy. She's gonna be in the video with me, and today we're gonna be making some pizza. Homemade pizza, you know? Since it's Corona time and everything's closed and you can't go to the pizza places, so we're gonna make it here in our home. All right, so today, what kind of pizza are we gonna make?
Cheese
And pepperoni.
Half cheese and half pepperoni.
Yeah. All right, so yeah, let's get right into the video. Woo! All right, so the ingredients that we're gonna be using today is pizza dough,
Cheese. Oh, cheese.
yeah, big cheese,
A spoon, of course.
some tomato sauce,
Where's it?
and oh yeah, where's pepperoni? So, pepperonis. Okay. So, what's the first step?
Open the
Open the dough.
wait.
Oh yeah, we have our pan here too, and our spoon for the tomato sauce. So open up the pan. Open up the bread.
It's
Need help?
Okay, I got it. I got it.
Open it. Open it. Got it?
I got it. Whoa, it smells good.
It does smell good.
You want pizza?
Alright, so get out the dough and put it on here.
Oh, we have 2 slices.
Ooh. Alright, then.
Woo! Oh.
So let's turn the other side, huh?
Huh?
That's fine. Okay. So this is what the dough look like, guys. You guys can see that.
Woo! Next, we're going to put in pizza sauce.
Yeah, next is the tomato sauce.
Tomato
Can you
sauce.
open it?
Hey, yeah, I remember.
Use your muscles. Go.
Oh,
go.
no.
Okay. I think I got this, you know?
Yeah, you open it.
Alright.
Ooh, that smells good.
It does. It smells really good. Here, just stir it a little bit.
Make it all soupy. But it'll be soupy. It'll be soupy.
Be careful. Spread it.
Whoa, guys. It's so soupy.
Alright, get some more.
Guys, spread it a little bit. I feel like we just poured it.
Want to pour it?
I kind of do.
Okay.
Pour it.
It's pizza sauce.
Okay,
guys.
that's enough.
Alright, that's enough pizza sauce.
What's going to be next? I think cheese.
You're gonna get all over here. Be careful. No, can I give you more pizza sauce? I think I need more pizza sauce.
I think I'm not spreading it good enough.
Here, go over. You gotta get all the edges, you know?
Sounds so sad. Hold up. It's like we're making pizza right there.
Okay. Should I have more sauce?
A little bit. Not much. You put a whole
I did
bunch.
not put a whole bunch.
She put a whole bunch.
Okay. Alright, you don't gotta spread it that much.
Yes, you do. It's pizza. You gotta spread it like.
Guys, see what she's doing to the pizza?
They can't see. Oh, they can.
You go like they can't see. Oh, they can.
Okay. It's
Alright,
like
are you missing?
a pizza. Yeah.
Okay, oh my gosh, she's spreading sauce everywhere. Gosh. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
That's enough.
Okay, that's cheese.
Alright, so now we're finished with sauce.
It's cheese
We'll
time.
move on to the cheese.
We put spoons.
Right, everybody say cheese.
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 Open it. Open it.
How should we open this?
Just go open like a bag of chips.
Open like a bag of chips. I can't open like a bag of chips.
I'm gonna try. Can I try?
Try.
I'm gonna open like a bag of chips, guys. Let's see if it works.
It's tough.
Wait, can I touch it?
No. I'm gonna open it. Wow. So I'm getting my scissors here, guys. And how should I cut this?
Cut it like right here. Like sideways, you know? Yeah. That's good.
I feel like that's a dumb way of cutting it. Okay. Alright.
That's not a dumb one. Cut it.
Alright, so we're gonna pour the cheese.
Pour
Can
it.
I help me? Oh, I'm not.
Whoa. Pour cheese. Cheese.
Pour the cheese.
Cheese.
Pour the cheese. Oh, come on, cheese. Alright, hold it.
Are we supposed to spread it?
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do.
Sit there. I feel like that's gonna be bigger.
It needs to be more.
Bigger. Yeah. Whoa! Let me pull the teeth out.
Spread it out. Okay.
Much better. Whoa, that's too much cheese.
God, don't you want cheese pizza?
Yeah.
Alright, and spread it.
But not that cheesy, you know? Not that juicy. Yeah. Oh, now that's gonna be a good pizza. Then now it's time for pepperoni.
Gotta make sure that it gets all cheesed up first.
Oof. What's this? They look weird.
Alright, guys. Now you guys can see it. Woo! We did it!
It looks like
More
a
cheese?
nah.
Just a little?
Nah. No, nah. Nah. You poured too much sauce and now you're pouring too much cheese. Nah.
I mean, you want it to be good. Okay. Next is the pepperonis, guys.
If you don't see it. Yeah.
Pepperonis.
Pepperoni.
They smell good? They smell so good.
Okay, pepperoni. Okay, pepperoni. Are you taking out the whole thing?
There you go. Place pepperonis. Wait, I thought you only wanted half to be pepperoni.
I know, that's what I'm trying to make it like separate. Makes me want to just eat one. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Put one right there.
There.
Add the rest. Okay.
You get to eat this one.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
It's good.
Alright, guys. So this is our half cheese, half pepperoni pizza. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so well, that's it. We're about to go put it in the oven and we'll see you in a bit. Hold up. Take you guys to the oven with this. Shall we? Alright, well, we're about to go put it in the oven. You're supposed to put it in the oven on 450 for 15 minutes, I think. For 8 to 12 minutes. So 450 for 8 to 12 minutes. So we're going to put it in there for 12 minutes. And yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Hey guys, we're back and the pizza's all ready, right? And so we just wanted to show you guys what it looked like afterwards. It's hot. It's hot. It just got out the oven. See, this is what it looks like, guys. This side is cheese, and then this side is pepperoni. See?
Looks pretty
Can you guys
good.
see that? Hold up.
Look at the bottom.
It looks so good, y'all. So we're about to cut it up and dig in, right? Alright, so we just wanted to show you guys how to make a pizza, and we wanted to show you guys what it looked like. And so we'll see you guys in the next video, right?
Bye.
We hope you guys are staying healthy, staying safe. But before we leave, I want you guys to make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, give this video a thumbs up, share it, you know, get it out there, you know. I know you guys are sitting at home bored, right? Yeah. Alright, well, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.